Amy works at an aquarium. She is getting ready to feed the penguins. She divides the 360 fish into 6 buckets. How many fish are in each bucket? Well, if she's going to divide 360 into 6 buckets, that's 360 divided by 6. Now, whenever you divide multiples of 10 and you divide by a one-digit number, look at the first numbers that you can do. I can do 36 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Now there's a 0 here at the end, so since this is a multiple of 10, I'm going to include 1 0 at the end of that 6. So now I get 60. So 360 divided by 6 is 60. Now this is a word problem, and it's asking how many fish are in each bucket, so the answer is going to be 60 fish in each bucket. And that's our answer.